Hi guys, I'm Renin Peterson, the owner of Renin Esthetics, and I am a Mandalyn Academy graduate, and I'd love to show you my lash room. This is where my clients sit when they're waiting for their appointment, and this is the confidence area. We love to make our clients feel happy and pretty and positive all the time. So one thing about my business that I really enjoyed was doing eyelash extensions, and for some reason it's something I got really good at, and they just flourished so much. So I mainly do eyelashes. This is my little eyelash cart, and you can see I keep all of my eyelash supplies down here, so it's easy and quick for me to grab. This is my vision board. I always keep this in here. This one is new for 2024, and in fact, we did this for the Mandalyn Academy alumni workshops. It's so inspirational for me to be able to come in here every day that I'm working and look and see what type of dreams that I am holding on to either that year, or it can be short term or long term. It's so inspiring to make sure that I have something in person that I can look at to keep me going, keep me motivated, and keep me inspired. This is my waxing cart. I do specialize in Brazilian waxing, and these wax pots are still my original wax pots from my kit in school, and it's been 10 years, so that is amazing. And then this is my little facial chemical pill micro needling cart that I love. And then this is just extra supplies where I keep all the things that I need to get and access easy. Obviously, I have a massage bed, but my bed is something that my clients love the most about me because I have not only do we have a bed heater, but we also have this ugly padding. Now, you can get these for $20 from Home Depot and cut it down to size with a nice comfortable blanket, and your clients will be in a dream, I promise you. So this pillow is from Amazon. This is the best eyelash pillow I've ever been able to find, and it is so soft and it has enough space for you to put your lash trays. My clients really enjoy this as well because it makes it so their necks don't hurt. This is my retail shelf and kind of where I like to show off some of my newest certifications. I recently got recertified in microneedling, and I kind of just keep a few little snacks and things that my clients will enjoy, and they all love these products so much that they fly off the shelf pretty quickly. Over here, it's where I show off my license because every client comes and looks at their beautiful eyelashes or their very red microneedled skin after they get their service done. I'm so happy that you guys could join me today. I wanted to share some insights with you, so I hope that you could take something from that. You can follow me on Instagram or Facebook at rowanbesthetics.com. Thanks for coming.